somebody is looking at a stair lift, can we give them some tips on what to look for and what we carry here?
Yeah, definitely. This is one of our most popular ones. It's a Harmar Stairlift SL300, and the great thing about this guy is that it's a maintenance-free. Stairlift, you don't need to, worry about lubricating or anything like that. And it's very, very simple, very, flexible. This is at the top. You swing out. Sometimes when you have a door at the bottom, see how the rail goes out there. This thing has this feature, where it folds up, obviously all the way up, and it's very, very reliable, simple to install. We absolutely love this one, and the fact that it's got no maintenance required, that's definitely a good advantage.
So there's no maintenance on this because there's not going to be no lube or grease that goes on there, no metal shavings that go on the staircase. So people aren't going to have to pay that, $200 to $250 service call every year to have that greased up. So that's a great advantage to the Harmar. And I notice over here we have an Access BDD.
Access BDD, yes. This is a new. The newest guy around the block, however you say that. What's great with this guy is that it has a lifetime warranty, right? So as long as you do that yearly maintenance, so this one, because it has the track right in there, metal track, it does need to have a yearly maintenance check. But hey, you get that done, and then you have lifetime warranty. That's a pretty amazing thing to have. Peace of mind there. Just get us back there to just check it out once a year, and then we're good to go.
And last but not least, another USA-made brand like the Harmar, the Bruno brand. This is a elite version. How much would this hold?
Yeah, this holds up to 400 pounds, and this has the cushions and everything. The new colors for the 2022 model. Yeah, this is definitely a heavier duty one. Those are, go up to 300, 275. This is the 400. Definitely a beast.
And last but not least, why should people not buy online and install themselves?
Yeah, this keeps coming up, but these things are nothing lasts forever, and eventually you do need somebody to look into some things, that break. And when you get stuff online, you are literally on your own. We have to be certified to work on these. If we give us something from online, who knows from where, we won't touch it, so that's definitely very important to keep in mind.
And if they want to call you for a free assessment, they're going to see you, and they can call 413-733-7843. What extension?
Extension 110, and yeah, we'll get it done. Free assessment.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.